Hi, I'm Gaby Saavedra. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to make a straight skirt super easy with an invisible zipper. I hope you can make your own skirt. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. The materials you need are fabric of your choice, sewing thread, chalk or fabric marker, a zipper or also known as an invisible zipper, and a straight skirt from your wardrobe. For the fabric, I chose suede in white 60, pink color to combine it with neutral basic or print tops. First, we will make the pattern of the skirt using one of your wardrobe that fits your waist well. It doesn't matter if the length of the skirt is too short or too long. You can add or remove later more fabric for the length of your choice. For the front pattern, mark an inch parallel to the length of the skirt. Then draw a line where the skirt body begins without the waistband. This way. Next, mark an inch for sewing. When finished, join all the points. For the back pattern, fold the skirt with the back part to the right side, like this. Mark 1.5 inch for the hem of the skirt and 1 inch for the sides. In the back opening, we're gonna sew the invisible zipper. Measure 2 inches to have enough space to sew. Then, join all the points. I like to write the pattern's name on the paper for future garments and not confusing them with another skirt style because they can look very similar. Also, this could be very useful if you like to archive your patterns as much as I do. This is how your pattern should look. I added the sewing lines by placing the skirt again on the paper and drawing the contour to make sure you leave the right space for the sides and the hem of the skirt. Cut the patterns, the front and the back one. To cut the front pattern, fold the fabric this way and in the fold, place the straight part of the pattern, which is the center of the skirt. Hold it in place with some pins. Cut the piece by the paper contour. Fold the paper over the sewing guides and with your chalk or marker, draw the guides on the fabric. After cutting, we will have 1 piece for the front and 2 for the back. This too will be the back opening where we're going to add the zipper. To make the waistband, take the remaining fabric and adjust it to cut the band in 1 piece. With the measurement of your waist on the tape, check if you have enough fabric. I made my waistband 4 inches wide. Mark with a chalk and cut it for later. Place the front and one back piece, both facing the right side, and make a straight seam along the side. Repeat the process with the other back piece. This is how it will look after sewing. Then, place the waistband folded in half to the body of the skirt with pins. Sew it with a straight seam along the waist. If there is a lot of surplus fabric, cut it so it doesn't create any lumps. And make a zigzag seam to the edge to prevent it from fraying. This is the finished look of the waistband. Open the skirt and just below the waistband, top stitch to set the fabric. To add the invisible zipper, open it and place it with the spool towards the right side of the skirt. I like to sew the zipper by hand before sewing it with a machine, and not fixing it later if it fits too tight or loose on me. Remember, you should sew sway just once to not create holes in the fabric. After making sure it fits you, sew it with the machine. Change the position of your needle to the left or right according to the side of the zipper that you're going to sew. Before, I changed the normal presser foot to one for zippers. They had open sides, preventing the needle from breaking. Press the black button at the back of the presser foot holder to release the presser foot. Your sewing machine may be different, so check out before how to change the presser foot of your model. I attached it on the left side to start sewing the left side of the zipper. When you're close to the spool of the zipper, you can continue sewing carefully for not breaking the needle if it hits the iron. Or, carefully move the spool in this way and continue sewing slowly to have more precision. Make sure the zipper opens and closes easily. If not, check out if the seam is not on the zipper or very close to the spool path. Remove the basket threads. Do the same with the other side of the zipper. To finish the back opening, make a straight seam. Help yourself with some pins to prevent fabric from moving, and verify that the end of the zipper is inside the seam. And sew 3 cm up to leave it hidden and well finished. open the excess fabric and cut it if it's too much to avoid creating lumps. Finish with a zigzag seam to prevent fraying. Finally, sew the hem of the skirt and you're finished! Thank you for watching this video. I hope you made this cute skirt. Tell me if you like it in the comments and see you next time. Bye!